Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the runtime and a project container in place. Install Node, JS LTS and verify versions. Once done, pick an editor, Visual Studio Code for lightweight flow or Visual Studio for integrated tooling. Make sure to add essential extensions like Debugger and ESLint. Then create a project folder, open it in your chosen editor, and run npm init to scaffold package. JSON. This gets you to a runnable baseline, so you can write and execute JavaScript immediately. Next, you build and iterate. Structure code into modules and pick a module system that fits your environment, ES modules for modern apps or common JS for Node scripts. Configure the editor debugger, create a launch. JSON in Visual Studio Code or use Visual Studio's project debug settings so you can set breakpoints and step through code. Use the integrated terminal to run npm scripts or node file. JS, and make sure source maps are enabled when transpiling so breakpoints map correctly back to your source. To finish, prepare code for deployment. Add ESLint and Prettier, set up a simple CI step, and bundle or transpile using Webpack, Esbuild, or the TypeScript compiler as needed. Run production builds and test in a fresh environment to verify behavior. If something breaks, first check the terminal and browser console for stack traces. Next, confirm node and dependency versions, then reproduce in the debugger. A single troubleshooting tip. If breakpoints don't hit, regenerate source maps and restart the debug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.